Hey guys, it's Josh Ezell of Breakthrough Real Estate. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's tidbit comes to you randomly from my phone because I wanted to get it before I actually forgot. So, I just encountered some really bad customer service, and it really hit me that as agents and anybody who pertains and deals with customers, there's something definitely lacking today, and it is just a pure, simple, humble apology. No conditions, no explanations, just pure, what I would classify as classic customer service. You know, every once in a while, people screw up, and when people screw up, the other party will rightfully have feelings, let's just call it feelings, about what just occurred. More often than not, they're not going to be happy feelings. But it's up to us as customer service representatives, realtors, whoever you may be, to take care of our people, to make them happy, to make the wrong right. And I'm not sure. It might be, today, it might be ego. It might be insecurities. They might feel threatened. I mean, there could be 100 reasons why we're going to have resistance to just sucking it up and eating it for the sake of the relationship or the future. But 99% of the time, it will benefit us to not react, to respond, and to just humbly admit we screwed up. What can we do to make it right? Plain and simple. That's the tidbit for today, guys. Have a good one.